First of all, the 4-core cable is connected to this USB to 485 communication serial port. Connect the corresponding AB cable. Then connect the 12-volt regulated power supply. Connect the corresponding positive and negative terminals. Connect the positive and negative terminals of the power supply and the USB port of the computer. Connect our COD sensor. So there is no problem. After charging, the brush will rotate first, about 3 times back and forth. Next, to calibrate the COD sensor temperature, place the sensor in pure water. Then dry the surface of the sensor. Place the sensor in the purified water with the opening up and tilted along the wall of the cup. Look for visible bubbles on the open side of the surface. If there are, gently shake the sensor to release the air bubbles and stabilize the mercury thermometer in purified water for 10 to 15 minutes. Read the mercury thermometer. Open the latest version of Modbus IS software, scanning, select the corresponding port. Baud rate default 9600. Other keep the default. Open the serial port. Way device type select COD. Get the device address. Read the data. After the temperature measurement value is stabilized, input the written value in the temperature calibration input box. Just now the mercury thermometer reading is 19.2, input 19.2. Click Calibration. The lower left corner shows that the temperature calibration is successful. Read the data. The temperature has been changed to 19.2 degrees Celsius. The temperature calibration is complete. Turbidity 0 calibration device type, select COD turbidity, get address. Read the data, and after the measured value has stabilized, write 0 in 0 calibration. Click Calibration. The lower left corner shows write success, then read data. Turbidity 0 calibration is finished. Next, perform the turbidity slope calibration of the sensor. Take the sensor out of the purified water. Look at the surface of the sensor. Gently shake the turbidity standard solution to homogenize it before use. Place the sensor with the opening up and tilted along the wall of the cup and shake gently to release air bubbles and avoid affecting the reading. Turbidity slope calibration. Read the data. After the value is stabilized, enter the right value in the slope calibration input box. The right value is equal to the actual value multiplied by 10. So the actual value is turbidity 100 NTO liquid. Right is equal to 1000. Click Calibration. The lower left corner shows right success. Read the data. Turbidity slope calibration is finished. Next, perform the COD 0 calibration of the sensor. Take the sensor out of the turbidity standard liquid and put it into pure water to do it. Then dry the sensor surface. Place the sensor into another pure water with the opening up and tilted in along the wall of the cup. Shake the sensor gently to release air bubbles. COD 0 calibration. Select COD for the device type. Read the data, and when the measured value has stabilized, enter 0 in the 0 calibration input box. Click Calibrate. The bottom left corner shows 0 calibration success. Read the data. COD 0 calibration is finished. Next, perform the COD slope calibration of the sensor by taking the sensor out of pure water and drying the sensor. Place the sensor in a 500 mg per liter COD slope calibration solution with the opening tilted along the wall of the cup. Gently shake the sensor to release any air bubbles. COD slope calibration. Take a reading, and when the measurement has stabilized, write in the slope calibration input box to enter the written value. Right value is equal to the actual value multiplied by 10. The actual value is the concentration of the standard liquid 500 mg per liter, so write the value of 5,000. Click Calibration. The lower left corner shows slope calibration success. The COD slope calibration is complete.